YouTube? It's your boy, Teza Boy. Yeah, I don't even know what day of the week it is. Today is what, Friday? All I know is we are in April and it's Friday. I don't even know the date.
You don't come from planet Earth.
Quarantine. Alright, so today I am going on the road with Jasmine. Say hi, Jasmine.
Hi, Jasmine.
Yeah. Alright, so me and Jasmine are roll out and we're gonna check our boy Ron. He has a project going right now, is the E86. He also has an E30 that he's working on right now, and he's supposed to get the engine bay sprayed today. So we're gonna catch a little footage of that. I'll see you guys when I get there. Alright, so we just got to the location and I'm gonna go inside and check out what's going on. Me and Alexi, we look good together.
You sound stupid. You sound fool.
Alright peeps, so the E30 I'm here telling about. See cool boy over there, sir. Oh, go ahead, youth. Big up your darn self. How this? Oh, who them call Lord Man?
This one right here.
Alright, so peeps, popular known in the streets as Lord Man. Hold on. See all the next project over here, so I'm telling about. Alright, so this is my brethren's E30. E30 owner, show yourself. Big up. Yeah. Alright, so they are prepping the engine bay fabrication work. Being done. It's gonna be sprayed next week. Work in progress. So basically, Ladaman is going to be prepping the bay for spray today, and we're not sure if he's gonna get any color on it today, but same chrome out the part and I'm gonna draw some bando or filler as you call it. It's looking pretty nice. I think the metal work, the fabrication was done by Peter King. Yup. So this is how I go on to the peeps. So far, this is where the bill reach, and yeah, you can get a inside view. A lot of prep work done already. It's already in filler prime or fill prime as you call it. See it gutted, and they are far along, way far along than mine, but it's getting there. So stay tuned. So this is the day I went to buy my new project car, the BMW E30. It's a 1988. So the person I bought the car from asked me for a final drive, and this is him right now having a blast.
A few moments later.
Alright, so unfortunately I didn't catch the spraying of the engine bay for this episode, but stay tuned for the next episode and you'll definitely see an update of that. Alright guys, this is the last time you'll be seeing this E30 looking like this before the teardown. Stay tuned for the next episode.